Hello everybody, Lurgs here, welcome to my channel, and today it's how to turn on the child lock on your Kenwood American style fridge freezer. And you might think, why would you want to do that? Well, if you've got lots of children running around, they love beepy things and pressing buttons, and it can muck up all the controls on your fridge freezer. Also, if you're cleaning it, you may accidentally press one of the buttons and change one of the settings. On this front panel, you've got these 4 different buttons: mode, freezer, fridge and unlock. Now if you hold the unlock button for 3 seconds, then you get this padlock icon, and that will lock the front panel. Now if you press any of the buttons on the front, it won't allow you to change any of the settings. And that is now set forever, even if you open all the doors or press any of the buttons. And you're probably wondering, oh, I wonder what Lurgs keeps in his fridge freezer. Well, here we go. Nothing exciting, I'm afraid. So that front panel is completely locked until you unlock it again. Oh, there's Daisy come for her lunch. Hello, Daisy. If you want to turn the child lock off to access any of the settings, literally just hold the unlock button again for 3 seconds. The padlock icon goes out, and then you're able to change any of the settings on the front. So if I push the fridge button, I can change the temperature of the fridge. Likewise, you can change the temperature of the freezer, and there's some other modes as well. And after you finish selecting the modes that you want, it's a good idea to put the child lock back on. And let's just have a look inside the fridge, see what I've got for dinner. Now you're probably wondering, oh, where is Lurgs' beer? Haha, well, I've got a separate beer fridge for that. May as well get the milk out and have a brew. And I'll tell you what, that definitely deserves a lovely cup of tea. Oh. I hope you found that useful. Up here is a link on how to fix your sticking curtains on the curtain rails. Really good tip. And over on this side, a video on how to defrost your freezer in under 15 minutes. Thanks for visiting my channel, everyone. I really appreciate it.